Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sonos Roam portable Bluetooth wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. You might need to do this for a variety of reasons. If the speaker keeps disconnecting from your device, or if it won't connect to Bluetooth, or if you're having any other kind of glitches like the sound is not right, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now the hard reset will restore the default factory settings and delete all settings, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is first of all come around in the back there and just press and hold that power button for 5 seconds to force the speaker to turn off. Once it's turned off, you can just press and hold this play button and just press and hold it and press and hold it for a couple seconds, and while you're holding it, go ahead and just press and release the power button again. We'll all the while continue to hold the play button, and you can just press and release the power button, but continue to hold the play pause button until the light on the front of the speaker flashes orange and white. Once that happens, you can let go and just let it continue its process, and when it's finished it will flash green, and then you can turn on your Sonos and set it up like it was when it came out of the box.